This is the intro to LongHairPrettyNails show, yeah.
Hey y'all, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be all about the bling. As you guys know, I have been rocking my blinged out press-ons that I showed you guys in my last video. And I did these using my new nail crystal kit that is available on my website, LongHairPrettyNails.com. So today I'm gonna be doing my other hand and I wanna do the pink crystals. I'm already dressed. I got on my little shimmer pink jacket. I got this from a designer on Instagram and it is a personalized jacket. It says EV13 in the back. You guys can see that. So yes, I am ready to just bling out these nails. Y'all know how I love bling, so let's get into it. These are the 4 colors that the crystal kits are available in. We have Ocean, which is blue. The Iridescent, which is this color right here. And then we have Moonlight, which is like a white opalescent type color. And then we have the pink. The nail crystal kits come with 20 different shapes and you get 1,000 pieces per kit. We also have the corresponding colors in the regular round crystals. Links to all of these will be in the info box down below. These are the long coffin full cover gel tips that I got from Zule Nails. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And I'm going to be using the Uber Chic nail art barrier. I've been using this to pop my nails off so it doesn't take all day for me to take them off and change out my nails. So this is my previous set from my last video. These are polygel nails and they were able to pop off. I like this method because I'm able to just do my nails and then take them off when I need to. And I can also reuse these. This stuff is good. Get you some of this. I'll leave a link down below. So with this nail art barrier stuff, it works really well, like a little too well. You can use 2 coats and your nails will probably last a day and then they'll pop off. So I'm just gonna do 1 coat. That's what I've been doing lately. So first, I am just gonna take my buffer and just lightly take the shine away from my nails. Now I am just gonna go in with 1 coat of nail art barrier. And like I said, this stuff works really well. And you gotta let this dry completely. So give it probably, a couple minutes. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Macart base coat. And this stuff is optional, but for me, the nail barrier works very well. So what works for me is just doing 1 coat of the nail barrier and then a coat of base coat. Then I go ahead and cure this. And then I can do my nails on top of this and they last pretty good without lifting or anything until I soak them off with warm soapy water. Next, I'm just gonna take the Young Nails brush on nail glue, pop these babies on. I like to put some on my nail and on the nail tip. And hold that in place for about maybe 5 seconds or so. All right, so after getting these on, I mean, they're not perfect, but they're press-ons. I'm gonna go ahead and take my nail file and just file this little area off. That little plastic nub that be at the bottom of all nail tips. All right, and then I'm gonna take my buffer and buff the shine off these nails because I'm gonna go in with some gel polish and we want that to stick. Next, I'm gonna go in with this glitter gel polish. Because I'm doing all blinged out nails, I want a glitter base to be under it so there aren't any spaces. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to all of my nails and I'm only gonna do 1 coat of this. Ooh, I could definitely wear this on its own. It is so cute. All right, so we got the glitter gel polish on. It is so cute. Like, I can totally wear this by itself if I want to. But now it is time for the fun. So as always, I'm gonna use the Poochie Snails Bling Gel and top coat to put on my crystals. All right, so first I am gonna go in with the Bling Gel. And because I am going to use some bigger crystals, I'm making sure that I'm just putting enough of the Bling Gel. Mostly concentrating it in the center because that's where I put the large crystals. Just so the nail won't look too thick. I mean, you know, as thin as an all blinged out nail could be. And then I'm going to go in with the top coat and just pretty much floating it on top. We don't want to just drag it. You want to like float it. And now we're just gonna go for it. I just like to pick it up and just do stuff randomly. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I kind of just go for what I feel because it's so many shapes to choose from. And the reason why I decided to do the press-ons this way instead of working on them prior, like before you glue them onto your nails, is because some of my nails are like crooked. They don't grow straight. When I did my pinky for this one, I did it off of the nail and then I glued it on later on. And as you guys can see, the alignment is just all wrong because my pinky is crooked. So to get the best outcome, I suggest you do it on your nails if you can, because not everyone's nail is like perfectly straight. All right, so I think that is all of the chunky pieces I'm gonna put on, and then we're just gonna fill in the spaces with little crystals. And then I wanna make sure to wipe around the cuticles to get off any of the gel before you cure, because it will burn. And we just go ahead and cure. So if you don't want to use like gel products or anything to adhere the crystals, you can also use nail glue. If you have a nice, good quality nail glue, you will be able to adhere these to your nail as well. I like to use the Young Nails because that stuff is like super glue. That does not move at all. All right, so for this one, I think I'm gonna do, it's so many choices. Oh, let's go with the butterfly. I think I'm gonna have it going this way. Ooh, all right. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I get more happy with each nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure that and move on to the next nail. Some of the pieces are really chunky and you're gonna need tweezers to pick them up. Oh, so we're gonna put that heart right in the center. Well, a little down a little bit, just a little bit. Whew. All right, so I got the first 4 fingers done and that is looking good so far. Oh, I'm so happy. All right, so now we're gonna just do the thumb. These shapes are just to die for, like, oh my God. I handpicked all of these shapes. I just love them all. Like, you can really do some bling damage with all of this. Trying to make it extra blingy on the thumb because I'm just extra like that. All right, I got it all to fit, barely. I am trying to keep my thumb in focus, but thumbs are wild cards, which is why I never film my thumb. It's hard to keep them in focus and to make sure you're doing a good job. Make sure we clean want to burn myself. And here is the finished look. Oh my goodness, this is just so pretty. I'm so happy. Oh my god, look at that. Like, these nails are just everything. So now I'm matchy. I hope you guys enjoyed this super blingy set. I know it's fairly simple, but you know, this is a statement. These are statement nails, okay? Statement. What'd you say? What'd you say? Come here. I'm just gonna be just talking with my hands like this. I am just in love. I'm sure you guys can tell. I don't know how to act. These are so pretty. So if you guys are interested in my nail crystal kit, make sure you head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com. Pick you up a nail crystal kit, or 2, or 3, or 4. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one. And we're just gonna end this with crystal jazz fingers.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.